Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add auto captions to videos in CapCut editor. So let's get started. It's pretty simple. First of all, you gotta simply open any project and make sure that you have a video on your timeline, and you gotta make sure that the video does have a voiceover. After that, what you gotta do is simply scroll to the right over here and you'll be able to see an option of captions. Simply click on that. You can click on either generate from the video or the voiceover or the music that you have added. And you can also select the spoken language or just leave it on auto detect. And then you'll be asked to choose a template. And here are some advanced options such as translated languages and also identifying filler words. Once done, you're going to simply click on generate and the captions will be generated, and you can simply click on export at the top right corner to export them. So that was how you can add auto captions to videos in CapCut editor. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.